Denver 7 News starts right now.
Shots fired, man down, man down. One of ours.
Tonight, a Douglas County Sheriff's deputy is in the hospital at last check in critical condition. Detective Dan Bright was shot this afternoon during a chaotic episode in Parker. The man who shot Bright is dead, shot by another officer near E470 and Parker Road. And Denver 7 has team coverage tonight. Liz Gilardi is live with a man's first-hand account of that shootout. We're going to begin with Marc Stewart. Mark?
And Shannon, Detective Bright spent part of the evening in surgery. As he recovers, his colleagues are hard at work. They are guarding the crime scene here off of Parker Road as they try to piece together a shooting in the middle of the suburbs. A motorhome now smashed and riddled with bullet holes after a shootout between a man and Douglas County deputies. The gunfire could be heard about a mile away.
I heard the first series of gunfire. I would say probably about 7 to 10 shots. Then it stopped for a moment, and I heard another burst of shots. I'd say about 10 to 20.
When it was over, the man in the RV was shot dead by an officer. A Douglas County deputy was wounded and rushed to the hospital.
I know he's in really good hands, and so I asked the community to stop and say a prayer for him, if you would be so kind. He's going to need every bit of that.
The drama first unfolding at around 3:30 this afternoon. Deputies were called to this house on the outskirts of Parker amid concerns of a domestic dispute involving a suicidal man. The man then got into this RV. Deputies followed, the shooting ending just footsteps away from a preschool, a middle school, a hospital, and a health club.
It was pretty loud. I'd say in total, probably went on for about a good 5 to 7 minutes of just nonstop shooting.
No one else was hurt, and the sheriff says the shooter was known to them. An afternoon of chaos forcing a department to rally behind one of their own.
Power of prayer is important, and I think it can help him.
Detective Bright comes from a law enforcement family. His wife also works for the sheriff's office. I'm told his family has gathered to be with him here tonight. We are live in Parker. Marc Stewart, Denver 7.